everyday life. So today I want to talk to you about a healthy bread pakora recipe. So bread pakora, when it's fried in oil, it's so tasty, like so tasty, guys. But don't underestimate this healthy version. It's as good as the fried version, but I wouldn't say like you can completely switch from oil version to healthy version. But sometimes when you don't want to use the oil, this is the best option to make the bread pakora. It still tastes great. It will make your family feel satisfied for that bread pakora craving. So let's see how to make this delicious and healthy bread pakora. Let's look at the ingredients for healthy bread pakoda. We need, of course, bread, turmeric, salt to taste, coriander powder, besan, rice flour, ajwain, and onions and chilies and coriander and curry leaves for your taste. I'll show you how I add. I'm taking 10 slices for my family and we are going to cut these bread slices into triangles. Make 2 pieces of each bread slice. So let's do this. I cut the bread into triangles and I chopped few onions very finely, 2 chilies, few curry leaves and few coriander leaves chopped finely. I'll not add it to the batter now as kids will not like it. I'll add after they eat so that it won't be spicy for them. So let's mix the batter for this bread pakora. We need half cup of rice flour, 1 cup of besan, little bit of ajwain, maybe half teaspoon, crushed like this and add salt to taste, half teaspoon of coriander powder, pinch of salt, done. Mix it nicely. Batter shouldn't be thick or thin, it should be in the medium. So keep adding water until it's nice and medium consistency. I'll show you after I'm done. This is the consistency we are looking for. It took me 1 cup of water to get to this consistency. Adjust accordingly. So we'll make bhajis in few minutes. I'm heating up a pan to make my bread pakoda. So let's make that. I mixed in onions and chilies and coriander after kids ate. So I'm ready to make my bread. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil. Let it heat up nicely. Oil is nicely hot. Just dip your bread both sides nicely and put it in the oil. Look how hot it is. One more slice. In 1 teaspoon of oil, you can fry 2 breads. Here we go. Let them cook for at least 1 to 2 minutes on medium heat and then we'll turn it and cook on the other side. It's been 1 minute. Let's flip it. Look how nicely it comes and look at that color. It will not taste any different. It's definitely like fried one is like very nice, but this is not anything less. So please try it, make it for your family, healthier version, and it can be had as a breakfast and you won't feel heavy at the start of the day and it will fill your stomach. So make it and enjoy it for your family. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. Thank you so much for your time and for watching me. I'll be back with next video. Look on the other side. There we go. It's perfectly ready.